Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to cover how you can import a Klaviyo list into Facebook, and that way you can use Klaviyo's segmenting and whatnot to retarget people on Facebook or build lookalike audiences. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want you guys to do is come up here to Manage List, click on that, and hit Export List to CSV. Now it's going to give you a list of potential properties to export on this list. The ones that we're interested in here are email, first name, last name, phone number, and then we want city, state, country, zip code. And then the last one I want you guys to add here is come up here and search for value here and click this total customer lifetime value. This is going to give us a value that we can actually pull from to set in Facebook to tell Facebook how valuable that customer actually has been to us and at what rate to prioritize that type of customer. So once you have those selected, go ahead and click the Start Export button here. And so once it has actually finished exporting those profiles, you'll see that it has downloaded them to my machine. So now you're going to want to open a CSV in a spreadsheet editor of your choice. I'm going to use Google Sheets here. And so to do that, I'm just going to click import here, upload, and then browse for the file here. And it'll upload it. I want to replace the spreadsheet, and I'm going to convert text to numbers, etc. Okay, so what we have here now is Klaviyo's exported list here. And so the things we want to change here is we just want to make email, lowercase email, first name should become FN, all lowercase, LN, last name, phone, lowercase, city is just CT, state is ST, country is going to go ahead and become lowercase country, zip code just lowercase zip, and then value here can just be value. And so once we've done that, let's name the file Klaviyo export, and we'll be ready to export that, download that as a CSV here. The other thing you guys want to do is look through some of your data just to make sure that everything has exported properly and that when we import this into Facebook, Facebook is going to be able to match up those profiles properly. Sometimes there's profiles I've seen with clients that where they have sort of test emails stored here from different systems. And so it's always a good idea to just make sure that everything is formatting properly. And so once you've done that, I'll see you over in Facebook Business Manager. Okay, so make sure that you're in the right Business Manager and then come to Audiences, which is going to be this tab on the side here with the people in it. And go ahead and create audience here and go ahead and first we're going to do a custom audience and select customer list here. From customer list, you don't need to worry about the file template because I've already given you all the fields that we need, including the value field. So just hit next here and then hit upload a file, and that will open this here. And we want to use the cleaned list that we exported. So that's this Klaviyo export here. And make sure that you hit yes, that there is a field for value, and that's going to be our value field. And for the audience label here, just don't worry about that. And then here we can name the audience Klaviyo export, and I believe this was for a giveaway. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hit next here. So it's going to notify us which fields are actually properly mapping, and you can see that everything here is actually properly mapped and we don't need to take any further action. So I'm going to go ahead and hit import and create here. And so it'll upload, and then what we can do from here is we can actually go ahead and use this list to create a lookalike audience. And so I'm going to select people in the United States and then go ahead and actually create 3 lookalike audiences from this. And so if you don't know what a lookalike audience basically is Facebook is taking a look at, Facebook is reading in each row of data, trying to match those up with profiles on their platform, and then sort of using their algorithm to crunch the data to see what similarities there are between all of these different people. And once it's sort of outlined those similarities, it has a good idea of which people are most like these people on their platform. And so it's going to use that understanding to basically create these audiences that are sort of 1% of Facebook users in the US that most resemble those people. And it'll use that when we use that in our ad campaigns. It'll use that as a base for who it's actually going to target in the United States when we run those ads. So I'm going to go ahead, hit create audience here. And the thing with custom audiences and whatnot is it will take some time to populate. So I recommend you wait a little bit of time before you start running ads with these. You can use them as soon as you upload them, but yeah, it'll take a little bit of time to match profiles up. And then for the lookalike audience, it'll take a little bit more time for that to populate as well. So guys, that is how you take a Klaviyo audience and put it into Facebook Business Manager for the purpose of using it in your meta ad campaigns. And so if you don't want to mess with any of that and you want a professional to do it, I do offer a marketing package which includes running your Facebook ads campaigns. And so that is for 6-figure e-commerce businesses who are looking to scale to 7 figures. And so if that's of interest to you, just reach out to me at my business email in the description of this video. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video.